Can we play a game while answering questions?
Okay.
The game is not to say okay. Okay?
Okay.
You said okay now.
I don't understand what you said. I'm rich? Yeah, look, I'm in space.
It is so funny, really. Love this. Funny. Yeah, it goes with after what? Repeat again.
Action.
All right. Hello, Abdullah. Ask. Feel free to speak.
Okay. Action.
Yeah. Action. White. Okay. Anyways, I really like the background. How do you do this?
I think this is only available for PC and laptop.
PCs on laptop. Okay. You want to tell us that you're rich boy?
Excuse me?
You want to tell us that you are a rich boy?
What does that mean?
A rich boy. You have a lot of money, you mean?
Oh, look, I'm in
So
space.
you're in the space now?
Yeah, I'm in space. Look, I'm in space. Oh, I'm floating.
So you're flying in the space, right?
Yeah, and I'm taking
Okay. Are you gonna land on? Are you gonna land on Mars?
I'm on my way to. You can see Earth behind me. That means I just went up.
Okay. All right. You can't book a swivel.
What do you mean swivel?
Swivel. This is transportation. It's well known, like Uber. Anyway.
No, so are you gonna upload our class or what?
Well, actually, I'm working on your video. I'm working on part 2. But I am finished yet. I am finished. So we are going to record and keep recording, and you share me links. I will post them in order. I mean, like, don't worry, like, I archive them. They're all archived. Don't worry.
People will see that I'm flying in space.
I can see that you're flying in the space. Watch out not to sink.
Actually, is the lighting good?
Yeah, somehow it's good.
You know why? Yeah. I found out an option. It's like from the meeting, okay? You can adjust the light. There is a setting that is called adjust for low light. I have low light. And actually I found those backgrounds in like backgrounds and filters in the section. Here, I can change it. I can be on a beach. I'm on a beach.
Oh, you're at the beach now.
I'm relaxing.
They're so coming.
Waves. I actually have video filters. I have also video filters. I can be surrounded by emojis.
You're right.
Or
it is so funny, really. Love this. Funny. It goes with nowadays situation. No, put on the face mask.
Okay, here.
Yeah, because of the corona.
Yeah, you're just relaxing on the beach with a mask. Ooh. I want to try other filters, hold on. I can be in the theater. Hello, everyone. Or I can be dark like this. Alright, now one more thing I want to try, okay? I just want to try one more thing. Excuse me?
We should have started the class.
Yeah, we should have started the class. I'm on TV. Alright. We'll start the class. We'll start the class right now.
You're on TV announcer?
Yeah, I was on TV. You didn't see?
Yeah, I saw you. Put yourself among grass. Be in grass.
Okay. Tomorrow when I have Zoom sessions with my school. I'll try this out and see how everyone thinks about it.
For me, it's a really good idea. It looks cool.
Yeah, I just discovered it today. I actually tried it with my Zoom class, but they couldn't see it because the teacher ended it. When it ended, like I discovered it. Wow, but it's really, really good.
Have you tried?
You can actually add your own image and have your background. Actually, I didn't know that.
What is it?
I don't know how I did this. Even though I don't have a green screen, at all. But I can add images or videos without a green screen, which is really good. This is what I like, really. Yeah, I don't need a green screen. You know that?
Okay.
I don't need a green screen at all. Maybe I'll upload some images from Google, like, for example, during a police chase or something like that, and then upload it.
Maybe with lions and tigers.
Or maybe I'm surrounded with lions and tigers.
Yeah, and you know people they were in forests in Africa.
I can upload some videos. I can also get some videos. All right. Well, I prefer this background. I prefer images background.
All right.
All right. I'll just keep it like this. Okay.
All right. That sounds good. And now let's start our class.
Of course. All right.
No question, please.
All right. Let's start.
No. What is the page question first?
All right. Okay. Let's see.
15, I suppose.
What?
I suppose it's pages 15.
No. We already did page 13. Now page 15. Page 15.
I said page 15.
Page 15. 15.
This is what I said. 15. 1 5. When you show the book, it doesn't appear. I can't see the book at all on the screen. I don't know why.
All right. Okay, it's page 15. It's page 15.
Fine. Well, you will say 3, 2, 1, action, then we start. Remember, I'll modify all of this.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, action.
No. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, action.
Here we
Hello.
go.
Hello, sir.
Hi. What's up?
How are you? I'm doing fine.
What we have today on our agenda?
We have homework. Yeah,
I know that we have.
We have class as well.
We have adjective, part 3, right?
Yes, we have homework, we have class, and we have adjectives.
This is adjectives, part number
2.
No.
No, 3.
Well, let's start.
Okay.
Count back.
Count back. 3, 2, 1. Hello, sir. How are you today?
Some action.
Action. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm very well. I really like the background, the new background.
Ah, you like it?
Are you in the space now?
Yeah, I'm in space.
You're bound to land on Mars?
Yeah.
All right, say hello to the creatures on the Mars.
Okay.
Please, you find water over there, get us some.
Use the what?
If you get water, if you can find water, get us some.
Of course, I will.
Right. What do we have on our agenda today?
We have adjectives.
Part
3.
So today we have adjectives. Part 3. I want you to put on page 13 before we start page 15. Remind us with the grammar rule. Will you
Okay.
Adjectives? What's adjective?
Here, I have the book. It's floating in space with me.
Yeah.
Adjectives modify noun or pronouns, okay? So they modify nouns or pronouns, as we said last time, like red pen. Like red pen, for example. Red modifies word pen.
What does word modify mean?
To describe something.
Describe or to make changes. Remember this.
To describe or make changes, like we describe this pencil as green. I'm not sure if you can see it. I think you can't.
No, I can't see it. I can't see that you're holding a pencil.
Alright. Right, I'll just turn off my... Okay. Here, you can see it?
No.
Oh, alright. It's green though.
Never mind. Anyway, so modify have the sound of describe or make changes in the noun or the pronoun, right?
Right.
The type of pronoun, the type of adjectives.
The type of adjectives.
What are the type of?
We have two types. You have common adjectives and proper adjectives. Let's explain common adjectives first. Common adjectives have two...
Wait a minute. Also, adjectives can tell us what kind, which one,
what
how
kind,
many.
which one, how many, or how much.
Good. All right.
The
common adjective is divided into...
Excuse me?
The common adjective is divided into...
two parts. One, indefinite article. Two, definite article.
Good. And now let's start with page 15.
Page 15 or 13?
Oh, 15.
All right then.
You forgot to ask the second type of adjective is called proper adjective.
The second type of what?
Adjective. It's called proper adjective.
It's called proper adjectives. It comes from proper noun. For example, if you say American, Japanese, Russian, Mexican, Chinese, Egyptian, okay?
Also, there is a note. Syria. Okay, we have another note in the proper adjective. The proper adjective is capitalized.
We have what? Yeah, that's capitalized because it comes from proper noun, and we capitalize proper nouns.
That sounds good. Please read me the question on page 15, question A. After reading the question, remember to analyze it.
No, question B or question A?
A.
Okay. Writing sentence. I will read it first, then analyze it, okay?
Yes, please.
Writing sentences with adjectives. Revise these plain sentences by adding at least one adjective to each what? Oh wait, at least one adjective to each. Okay, I think each sentence. You may also add descriptive phrases. What is descriptive phrases or clauses?
Well, descriptive. Do you know descriptive writing?
Yes, you describe something.
Well, descriptive is an adjective of word describe. What does descriptive phrase? We all know that phrase is group of words, more than one word, 2 words or more, right?
Right.
Well, and in our lesson here, we study adjectives. Fine.
Fine.
So when we see descriptive phrases, so descriptive is the adjective of describe.
Okay.
Fine. So we want to say that the phrase is described.
So this phrase describes something, right? This entire phrase. Now.
Describes noun or pronoun.
All right. Now, if does it contain one or more adjectives?
Excuse me?
Does it contain 2 adjectives or only 1?
I lost connection. I lost
Does it
contact.
contain one adjective or two adjectives?
Through the example, we can realize this. Just continue reading.
Okay.
Let's see whether it's one or more than one. But once I see word a phrase, so it sounds to me more than one.
Okay then. Write your new sentence on the line. Underline the adjectives you have added. Okay. Okay. I can ask something else?
All right, but don't forget to analyze it.
Yes, I will not forget. Do descriptive phrases, can descriptive phrases be two in one sentence? How do we find descriptive phrases?
Well, together, how describe the descriptive phrases? Well, when we handle the question, we would see this. Read me the example, please. The truck.
The truck rumbled down the street.
Well, where's the adjective here?
Where's the adjective here? Garbage and narrow street. Narrow
Good.
city. Narrow city.
Narrow city. Well, garbage here is what? Is noun or adjective?
Adjective. Garbage or truck?
No, garbage.
Sorry,
Garbage truck.
Sorry, I misheard you. Garbage.
Garbage is adjective. Describes or modifies
truck.
So this is the first adjective. Fine. Well, we have another adjective in the example. Should be added. Truck rumbled down the narrow city. Narrow is an adjective. Modifies word city. Well, if I say, this is an example, the truck rumbled without saying the garbage truck. Is this example correct or incorrect?
No, this is correct.
It's correct, but I can't imagine what kind of truck. I can't imagine. Yeah, city street. Yeah, what kind of it? Fine. Well.
Fine.
So when I add exact words here, like narrow city, street, here, these words can help me imagine how other streets look like. How streets look like.
We imagine what kind of truck and we imagine how the streets look like.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
When we analyze the question that you haven't analyzed yet, the question asks me here to revise. After what? After what? You should analyze first. When you analyze the question, you could understand every single word in the head of the question. Let me help you analyze the question. The question asks me to revise. So we need to circle what?
Revise.
We need to circle the imperative in this question, which called like what? Like revise. So revise, the question asks me to revise. We will revise what? These plain sentences.
So we underline plain sentences.
Yeah, plain sentences by adding at least one adjective.
We underline one adjective.
So this is the first thing we do. We can add one adjective. Fine. So when it is one adjective, so it is one word. Right? You may also add descriptive phrases. We know now that phrase is more than one word.
Yes.
Descriptive is an adjective, derives from word description, and phrase means more than one word. And our lesson talks about adjectives. So it sounds to me that we're going to use more than one word as an adjective before the noun or pronoun. When we use more than one word, which are adjectives, here we can call it descriptive phrase of adjective.
Yes. Yes.
He says you may also add descriptive phrases and clauses if you wish.
If
you want
wish.
to. Yeah, like what? Like here in the example, I can see the truck rumbled down the street. These are words, but like just a sentence, it doesn't give like strong imagination. But when I use such adjectives before truck, like the garbage truck, so I describe the truck. Here is I use the adjective before truck. Garbage is an adjective, and we can call it exact word. This exact word can help me imagine how truck looks like. Rumbled is a simple predicate. Rumbled down the narrow city street. I can see narrow city street. Narrow city, we have two words here. Fine. So more than one word. So
hold on, sir. Sorry, someone interrupted me.
No problems. I can't see who's behind you. There is background.
No, I turned off the camera just in case.
Just in case what? I can't see nothing. I just can't see space.
You can't even see my chair. I'm actually on my chair. Yeah.
Anyways, narrow city. Let's start again. Narrow city is more than one word.
That's a descriptive phrase.
There's descriptive phrase. Fine. Narrow is an adjective. City is noun. We use both of them to give descriptive phrase to word street. Fine.
No.
There is possibility to use. He asks you in the question. He tells you in the question. You may also add descriptive. He asks you in the question. You may also add descriptive phrases and clauses if you wish. So it's something like optional. Write a new sentence on the line. I can see imperative here, which is word.
Right.
Circle word right. Your new sentence. So you write your new sentence on the line. Underline the adjectives you have added.
We have word underline.
So we circle word underline as it is imperative in the question. Fine. We underline what? Adjectives that I've already added.
We underline the adjectives that we have already added.
Now?
Excuse me?
Do you see any difficulties in the question?
No.
So the secret to understand any question is to analyze the question you go, where you focus on word by word.
The secret ingredient.
Well, here's in the example, the truck rumbled down the street.
Here the truck rumbled down the street.
Exactly. He added where garbage, truck, describe the truck. And he added narrow city, word street. So we can imagine now, or we can see in our mind, like the street are narrow.
Okay, and there is a smelly garbage truck.
Okay. And now let's go for the questions. Question 1.
All right, let's go for the questions. All right. Question number 1. The flower wilted in the sunlight.
What does wilted mean?
Wilted, I think it means No. Wilted. Wilted means that a flower opens up. Flower opens up.
Did you check the meaning in the dictionary?
I searched it. Okay. I'll check. Alright, hold on, let me check the meaning. Right, Oxford Learner's Dictionaries. Okay, wilted. Wilted, adjective. Vegetable leaves, for example, lettuce leaves, have been cooked for a short time and then used in a salad. What?
Yeah, it's not adjective. The flower wilted, yeah, is not an adjective.
Oh wait, wilt of a plant or flowers to bend towards the ground because of the heat or lack of water. Yeah, so it's like this.
Again, wilted is not an adjective here, but it is.
It is verb.
Good.
All right. So it's when a plant bends towards the ground like this, like it said, because of lack of water and heat.
Right.
Okay. The beautiful flower wilted in the bright sunlight. Right.
Okay.
All right. So beautiful and bright. I used word beautiful and right. Bright,
Right.
not right. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. The milk tasted bad after a day in the cooler. The new milk tasted bad after a day in the faulty cooler. So, new and faulty. Oh, it seems like the cooler was not working properly. That's why it tasted bad.
Okay, so the fridge or the cooler was broken down.
Yes, exactly. Exactly what was broken down. Right, let's see. Number 3. A child pulled a wagon across the field. A young child pulled a wagon across the huge field. So I wrote a young child pulled a wagon across the huge field. So a young and huge, I used the word young and huge. Okay?
How about if you use instead of young child, like we say, because young child, like we say, young boy means child, like give the sound. So nothing has been added to young child. Child are already young. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Find another adjective like the show child, the brave child.
All right. Maybe I'll cross it out and write the brave child. A brave child. Okay. Okay, sir. All right.
You can also a strong child.
A siren broke. A siren broke the stillness of the night. A loud siren broke the stillness of the calm night. So, okay, brave. No. I mean loud and calm. Okay?
Okay.
Right, now last one. Number 5. Bring a sweater on the hike. Bring a blue sweater on the hike. Okay?
Will you repeat again? I couldn't hear you.
Bring a sweater on the hike.
Again, please.
Bring a blue sweater on the hike. Okay? So, blue is the only adjective that I used. This time I only used one, not 2.
Well, excuse me, question 4. Will you read me question 4 again?
A loud siren broke the stillness of the calm night.
Yeah, what does siren mean?
Siren is, for example, if robbers rob a bank, isn't there a siren to warn the guards or the police? Like wee wee wee.
Yeah, that's good. Like alarm. Yeah.
Okay. Bring a sweater on the hike. Bring a blue sweater on the hike. I used adjective blue.
All right.
Revising with adjectives. On the lines below, write a paragraph about a day at the beach. Use at least 10 adjectives in your paragraph. Include at least one proper adjective. Okay. Alright, so we...
Can you to draw the audience or the listener's attention that you shifted from question A to question B? You can say, and now with question B.
Okay, and now, sorry. And now with question B.
Good idea. You also can say, we finished, and now we finished with question A. Let's move on to question B. So we can understand that you change the question.
We are now on question B because we finished question A. Now let's analyze the question. Here we go.
Yeah, here we go.
On the lines below, write. I see an imperative here, which is write a paragraph. A paragraph is a keyword about a day at the beach. Okay, so underline word beach. Use at least 10 adjectives. I see an imperative. Use at least 10 adjectives or the keywords in your paragraph. Include is another imperative. At least one proper adjective. Okay, at least one proper adjective is all keyword. Okay?
Can we play a game while answering questions?
Okay.
The game is not to say okay. Okay?
Okay.
You said okay now. Let's start.
All right. I went to a Spanish resort in Barcelona. Okay. No, I said it. I went to a Spanish resort in Barcelona. I used word Spanish, which is at least one proper adjective, okay? No, why was...
Try not to say okay.
Alright? I'll say alright instead of that word.
Alright.
It was warm there, okay? No! Alright? Why do I keep saying it? It was warm there. Alright? So I used another adjective, which is warm, which is the second adjective I used. There were groups of little children playing in the sand, a group of teenagers playing volleyball, and an elderly group of people playing chess. Alright? Little is the third adjective I used. Teenagers is the fourth adjective I used. Elderly is the fifth adjective that I used. Alright? There was a young man, which is the sixth adjective I used, that was afraid of the ocean. He would run away when waves came in. So he would like run away when waves came in. There. Okay, came in.
You said okay.
No. I went like more than a minute not saying okay. And now I said it again. Alright. He would run away when waves came in. There were other teenagers surfing and riding a jet ski. Another fun thing, so they were riding a jet ski surfing, and they were doing other fun stuff. So teenagers is the 7th adjective I used again, and fun is number 8. The elderly, number 9. Okay. No. No, why am I saying okay a lot? This is weird. Elderly, number 9. We're having an intense game of chess. The children's, okay. The children's sandcastle.
You just said okay.
No, why am I saying it? The children's sandcastle got ruined by a seagull. Okay? What? Wait, did I just say? Did I just say?
Yes.
Overall, a nice day at the beach. Okay. No, I almost said it. Intense is number 10. Okay. Oh, alright. Intense is number 10. This is a fun game, actually.
Alright, carry on.
Alright. Overall, a nice day at the beach. Alright, it's a good day.
You're done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Well? Why are you speechless?
No, I'm just surprised by how many times I said okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Never.
Excuse me?
Never mind.
Alright. Alright then. Very nice game.
Right. Alright. We stop the game now. Feel free to say okay.
Okay.
Now I want you to turn the page. Your homework will be page 16. But we would love to give introduction or introductory lesson to adverbs. We have adverbs.
We have adverbs.
Yeah, what's the difference between adjective and adverbs? Adjectives describe
Adverbs modify verbs.
Modify. No, adverbs. Yes, modify verbs.
Adjectives or other adverbs.
Or adjective as well. Fine, but when we compare it to adjectives, no, adjectives modify noun or pronouns. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or adverbs as well. The adjectives answer some questions like where, when, how, or to what extent. Adverbs are often formed by adding ly to the adjectives. We can say this is the regular adverbs. We usually add ly, like word quick. So we say quickly, quietly. I can't see you at all. Where are you?
I turned off my camera.
Why are you naked?
Okay. I turn back on.
Right. What are you searching for?
No, my pen dropped. My pencil dropped. Okay.
Hello?
Hello, my pencil dropped.
Okay, you dropped your pen?
Pencil, yeah, I dropped it. Yeah, I have it again.
Okay. You still searching for something?
No, I have my pencil here. I have to move it a lot so you can see it.
So adverbs, as we say, are often formed by adding ly to the adjective. So the regular or the casual adverb, it is like an adjective, but we just add ly. But for sure, we have exception or odd or irregular adverbs. So generally, we say quick. This is an adjective. When we add ly, it turns to be adverb, so it will be quickly. Fine. When we say white is an adjective. When we add ly, it turns to be an adverb. It will be whitely. Soft, softly. Near, nearly. So generally, adverbs are formed by adding ly to the adjectives, but we have exceptions. We have irregular adverbs. Fine. Like word, for example, like word high. He jumps high. High is high as it is.
High modifies word jump.
Jump. Right?
Jump is an adjective.
Jump is not an adjective. Jump is a verb.
I meant high is an adjective, sorry.
High is an adverb. High is an adverb. Describe verb jump.
Mister, can I ask you about something?
I think that you want to ask about this. Isn't high an adjective? Yes, high is an adjective.
No, I don't want to answer about that. I don't want to answer about that.
Okay,
can you give me examples? Can you give me examples when it modifies other adjectives and other adverbs? Please give me examples. Because I have no clue about this.
We have too many examples here that adverb can modify adverb as well.
Or really
I can't remember now.
Or too tightly.
Yeah.
But what about when it... Here we have some examples where they modify it like really easy or too tightly. Okay, now how do they modify other adverbs? How do they modify other adverbs? Okay, please give me an example.
We will be exposed to something like this here. For example, when we say very, but this is called adverb degree. When we say very differently, very is an adverb. Differently, it's an adverb as well. So we say we were very differently told. So here we have two adverbs. The first one modifies the second one, which is very, modifies differently, right? Okay. And definitely modifies verb told.
Okay.
We will be exposed to too many examples that adverb modifies adverb as well. Or another adverb. Like, don't rush. We will see them.
Alright, I will not rush.
Well, here is some examples as we see here. Go there. There can tell us or can answer the question where. I say go there. So it answers the question where I go. Or when somebody goes. Left late. Left late. Left like he leaves the place. He leaves the place. But left in past. Left late. Late here answer the question when did he leave? Or when did somebody leave?
Late.
Speak softly. Yeah, speak softly. Softly tells us how somebody spoke, how somebody speaks. Fine. Nearly complete. Nearly.
Almost done.
Answer the question to an extent. All right. That's all about.
Almost done is also
After
an
this
adverb, right?
Almost done.
Is also an adverb?
Almost. Yeah, I think it's an adverb as well. An adjective and adverb. Will you check it in the dictionary right away?
All right.
Check word almost. I think.
Okay. Give me a moment. Yeah, it is adverb.
Is an adverb, and I'm checking with you here. Oh, it is just an adverb, it's not an adjective. So when I say, I almost done, almost forgot, almost describes or modifies when forgot. Fine.
Okay.
And almost has the same meaning of nearly. So nearly and almost are synonyms. Fine.
Okay, fine.
You can see after these examples, there is something called an intensifier. An intensifier is an adverb that defines the degree. Define the degree. Intensifier are what are adverb. Adverb, we call it. I'm sorry. Let me remember. I can't remember its name, but something like adverb degree or degree of adverbs. I think a degree of adverbs. So we say here is an adverb that defines the degree of an adjective or another adverb. Intensifiers always precede the adjectives or adverbs that modify. So when I say really easy, so I measure here, or I want to say the degree. When I say too tightly, so can't run away. Very difficult, so I measure the degree. Whether very difficult is not like so easy. Fine. That's all about it. These are called modifiers. Up to here, we will stop the class. As the class is done, we will, your homework is to answer page 16 all, right? And you need to submit the homework within an hour.
Okay.
But don't forget to answer the homework in the notebook, not in the book. When you mail me the new video, when you mail me the record, I want you to scan pages 15. Did you answer any questions on page 15?
All of them.
Donkey, you are donkey, really.
Okay, I'll stop recording now.
In this example, beautiful girl. Beautiful is an adjective, modifies word girl. Also, word beautiful can be called modifier. Adjectives tell what kind, like when we say blue ocean, so it tells us what kind of ocean, what's a color. Also can tell us which one, like in this example, those swimmers. So I'm talking about specific swimmers. Also when we say how many, like in the example, many waves. Or how much. For example, when I say less sunscreen. Type of adjectives, common adjectives, and proper adjectives. Common adjectives is divided into indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles a and an refer to unspecified members of groups of people, places, things, or ideas. But definite article is the. The refers to a specific person, place, thing, or idea. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. They are capitalized and often end in N, A-N, I-A-N, E-S-E, or I-S-H. Some examples are American, Japanese, and Polish. Welcome back again. Hope that you've enjoyed today's lesson. Please feel free to leave your question in the comments below. And finally, I'd like to thank you very much for watching, supporting, sharing, and for caring.
Oh, I'm floating.
So you're flying in space, right?
Yes, and I'm taking
Okay.
Okay. What? Wait, did I just say?
Yeah.